Welcome everyone on my channel. In this chapter, I'd like to explain to you on how to convert the files that is formatted in tab, which is before then is only able to be opened in mapinfo.tab, to convert it onto .shp, which is a shapefile that will further be opened in ArcMAP. That's the problem most of us have in my university, that we only have files that is formatted in tab, but then we need to open it in ArcMAP. So let's just start it. We have 4 steps here. First one is prepare files formatted in tab. I've prepared here. It has all that necessary, so you can see its region in Java, in Central Java, and you can see all this is formatted in tab, tab, and etc. So I would like you to do the next step is open it all up in Global Mapper. So we just open the Global Mapper, right? You can see that I have, here's the version 15 and it's already registered. So open your own data files. Okay, so now we have all our files loaded, and you can see it all in this panel right here. This is the list for all the layers that it has, and you can see I've entered all the layers that is necessary for this. The next one is you need to convert it one by one. You must not convert it at all because the software doesn't support that kind of thing. So we're just gonna uncheck all of this that we think is unnecessary, because it's very hard for the computer to process. It's making it lag, and people don't like lag, so you're just gonna make sure that you work it slowly and steadily, one step at a time. Alright, so we have files called admin. It depends on you on which part you want to make it exported, but let's just carry on. You gotta press this file, export, and use the vector format. All of these files is in vector format, and you're just gonna have to choose the shp file, shapefile. Okay, you don't have to show this again if you'd like to. Now, as we know that administration areas is a file that has boundaries, and it captures certain places, and that's why it has the attribute here that I said before. Attribute. The attribute is area, so that's why you need to pick this, not that, because the other attribute can't be picked, so you're just gonna pick one of them, which is areas, and you need to put the files to a certain folder. You will not be forget. It's called shp. Okay, you put it here, you put it as admin exported. Remember to put exported there, because you might not knowing which one is exported and which one is not. Save. Okay. See, it's done. It's as fast as that. All you need to do is just doing this, just like what I did before. Uncheck the last one. You don't need garis pantai, it's called beach lines. You don't need beach lines next to the road. It doesn't matter the color is black, you can change the color later in ArcMAP. So it's gonna have to export it again. Vector, shapefile, okay. And you can see that street has attribute of lines. Okay, street doesn't make a rectangle, street doesn't make a closure. So there is no closure in streets. That's why the attribute for street is lines. So it's gonna click it here and call it jalan, export it. You need to be patient in this because the file is heavy, the file is big, and we are almost done. Right, we're done. So the next thing is I'm gonna make sure to you that as you can see, this symbol right here has a similar symbol with this. It means that both are attributed in areas and both straight. The contour lines is the contour lines, the railroad, and as well as the river. It all have the same attribute, which is lines. So what we don't have here. Okay, so you can see here I have it all exported, and I didn't put the name exported here because it doesn't matter. Okay, what's important is you can see that all the format here is HP. So you can see here this one as well, this one too is all the same as HP. Okay, I did number 2, now I did number 3, and now it's time for the number 4. We need to test it out whether it's working in ArcMAP or not. Okay, so it's gonna open our ArcMAP right here. Wait. Okay. So we have opened the ArcMAP. Don't worry about the other stuffs. If you see in your software it says blank map, just click it and okay. Worried I don't have blank map, so if you cancel it, it's also a blank map. So you can see that there are two kind of view. First one is data view, second is layout view. In data view you can see all the data sets in this, unformatted, it's shattered, it's all messed up, but still in the coordinate that it has put on. In layout view you can set up the layout for the map, and there are systems here which is called the data frame system. In data frame system, each data frame will have a different data view. So just say that you have, I was gonna make a new data frame right here. Okay, insert data frame. It's not responding. Okay, wait. So you have this one here, the new data frame, and as well as in the table of contents you got new data frame. So you have two data frames in which it will have a different coordinate system, different, everything else is different, but it's still in one layout, so you don't have to worry about getting stuff stumbled. But in data view, you can see that this one is bold. It means that this layer is active. You can edit all of the stuffs in here. So the second one, if you want to put it here, displayed in here, is gotta put it activate. As you can see that I have nothing because I haven't opened any data. I'm just gonna remove it, and in layout view it will also be removed. So how to open a file? It depends on the file itself. If the file you have is formatted in SHP, you have to use this add data. And you won't be able to look at it anywhere here. So the thing you're gonna do is just click the connect to folder button here, choose the folder that contains the files you want to put, in which I have is in the desktop. So I'm opening my desktop, my tutorial. So I have a warning here. It says that the following data sources you edit are missing special reference information. It's okay, it doesn't have to worry about this. You're just gonna put OK on this one, and you can see that all layers is already inside. You just gonna have to see here, it says drawing. We have to wait. It's processing. We cannot expect it to be loading instantly. It's all drew. It's just, you can see here that the scale, it's a scale bar. Okay, it is a scale button. The scale here says it's 7,203,000,000. It's too much. We're gonna reduce it to 24,000. What if you want to make it 25,000? Click customize. Put the number 1 equal to 25. Add. Okay. That's it. That's simple. You have it here. And you can see it's still drawing. You have to wait. Okay, so where are my files? Oh my god, it's loading. Don't worry. Right click on each one of these, anyone you can pick, and press zoom to layer. See, it's all loaded here. So as far as I'm concerned, the file that I produced, that I exported, that I tried to open in ArcMAP are all works. So that's all steps you're gonna take to make this all works. Thank you. For the next video of processing the map in ArcMAP, it's gonna come